Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another makeup review. BUXOM came out with a brand new makeup collection. This is called the Tiki Bar collection. This is the Tiki Bar Eye and Cheek palette, and there are also 6 different lip glosses or full-on plumping lip glosses, which I think is what we got here. And I'm going to be reviewing, swatching, doing a little makeup for you guys using all of these right here. So let's jump into it. So there is a blush in this BUXOM palette. It's called Seychelles. It kind of looks a little dark for me, but we're gonna try it out. Palette is a little powdery. Please don't be too dark. Oh, okay. That went on. Yeah, it is kind of dark, but I think I'd apply this more as like a tanner blush, like as a contour than a blush. Cute, cute. I applied Golden Hour highlight on this side and it is super glowy. I'm personally more of just this natural dewy glow right now, but this is really pretty. Okay, so for the eyes, I started to take tan lines into the crease just to start off with a good base. And I actually really like the tone of this brown. Loved the shade Sippin', so I'm gonna apply Sippin' right to the inner corner and all across the lid. Just gonna go for like a simple eye. I feel like that's what BUXOM's palettes are made for. Just like your really, really simple eye makeup. So I took a little bit of that gold shade called Go Coconuts right to the inner corner. I like it. It's a little like, I feel like it's a little too yellow, but this palette is feeling very like golden pink and yellow, which is actually really pretty, but I think I like this eye without. So I'm gonna add a little, actually I'm gonna add Golden Hour right here. Okay, a little better. For just like a little bit of a smoky liner, I'm adding Throwing Shade. On some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, here are the eyes. Cute. I'm gonna go ahead. I have MAC's lip pencil and spice. Putting some white Russian from BUXOM in the center. And I feel like this lip needs to be a little bit more orange to match the eye, so I'm actually gonna apply Bahama Mama. And I think you guys already know that I love BUXOM glosses, so there's not much else to say there. Cute and glowy and summery. This feels so summery. Okay. Wow, this really actually brought the whole thing together. She's cute. Alright guys, that's it for this really quick review and tutorial on the brand new BUXOM Tiki Bar collection and all of the lippies that came in this collection. You know, I'm impressed. I'm surprised. Every single time I try out one of the BUXOM palettes, I'm really happy with the results. I always feel like their palettes are very deceiving. Like this, looking at this, it doesn't get me like excited to put on makeup, but every time I do, I'm so happy, especially with the last one, the White Russian collection. Oh, that was beautiful. And this one is just a little bit more bronzy, a little bit more pink, and I love the way this turned out. So highly recommend the palette. So definitely pick it up and pick up some glosses. I mean, I love BUXOM glosses, so pick them up. But thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I appreciate you to the moon and back, and I hope to see you next time in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure to keep up with me here on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok.